guys, just got a Volkswagen yesterday for 300 bucks. My buddy did, my dядька. Let's see what he's doing. What are you doing, dядька?
They got the fucking radiator rigged up.
Oh, you're checking it out, huh?
How they got it rigged up.
Yeah, I saw it yesterday.
They tried real hard on that thing. They could have just put the effort into fixing it right.
Yeah, no, they didn't fix it at all, bro.
No, all I gotta do is fucking...
Man, 300 bucks for this thing, it's fucking amazing.
No, it ain't bad at all, man.
No, it's pretty good.
Windows,
I don't know, I think this is not non-turbo. I don't think it has a turbo.
No, it's not. I didn't hear
no
turbo.
No turbo. Hey, you know, if it's not bad, you can get a new bumper, polish the fucking headlights. Probably polish them today, bro.
Probably get a whole new front end for it, to be honest.
Well, the headlights are good. Maybe only the mounts maybe are a little... Oh, the mounts are a little broken though.
Yeah.
But, man, stick shift and all that stuff. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that thing.
I think about vacuuming it, but I don't know if the
yeah, it just needs
car wash takes
a little bit. No, there's vacuums at the car wash.
I don't know if it takes card. It might just take coin.
Oh yeah, I don't know either. Yeah, man, and you have the owner's manual for this thing too. Yeah, you see this thing?
Got new tires. Yeah.
The pad, actually, if you look at the caliper, it has like metallic, like shavings on it, you know, like on the other side too, and even on the wheel. So, but yeah, the tires are like brand new, bro. Look at this thing.
It's crazy how people don't want to put any work into something.
It's crazy, bro. I'm telling you. It's actually a pretty good deal. You got a spare, the full-size spare too, and you got the jack and everything. It's busted. Of course, what else can they put in? If this thing breaks, they just put the freaking duct tape, whatever. Yeah.
Bought it for damn $3 grand. Like.
Yeah, you wanted to buy that one for 2,500. I'm like, bro, like that's. And you got this one now for 300 bucks only.
Yeah, and it's a four-seater.
Yeah, bro. It's a stick shift, and it's actually a... I like this engine more than the VR6, because the VR6 sucks to work on. In order to like replace the timing chain on the VR6, you gotta pull the trains out, and because the chain is on the back of the engine, it's stupid.
Turbo doesn't really do much either for the...
not too much.
Yeah, so
I like this one.
It's a 2.0.
The good thing is it's a 240,000 miles, right? So we gotta check your probably the timing belt at some point, because they have the timing belts right here on these engines, but maybe they replaced it. So
I mean, shit, just to rebuild everything would cost me what, another $500-600 bucks?
bro, like the parts are pretty good on this, not bad at all. Yeah, fuck yeah. Yeah, just the bumper and stuff, a couple things. Yeah, see, I just hate they were trying to put the tape on here, and the tape leaves all this residue. It's so annoying, man. But yeah, it's a pretty good car. Hey, at least the shock, the hood shock is working on this one. Yeah. It's holding the hood, you know.
Also, the key thing, I already know what I gotta do.
Oh yeah, the condenser got bent. Yeah, I can see that.
I already know what I gotta do for the key too.
What do you gotta do? Yeah, maybe this is the reason why your radio wasn't working. It's kind of busted there. I don't know.
Shit. There's literally that piece of glass in there. All I gotta do is spray some carb cleaner in there, take this one apart.
Yeah, you can do that too. Yeah. Wait,
right.
what is this? Let me see this thing. Yeah, there's a screw right here. I have the small screwdrivers, so we can probably do it.
Cool. Yeah, just gotta be careful pulling that out because it's glass.
Yeah,
but,
it is.
From what I've seen online, just a little carb cleaner will help pull it out because it's glued in there.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Pull it out and then put it in this one.
Hell yeah, bro. Yep.
I was also looking at how to reorder, like you could order a few keys and then order, like rent this fucking computer program.
Jeez, look at this. How the heck do people do this to cars?
I don't know, man.
Look at so much junk. Oh my gosh, they could have at least cleaned it a little bit before like selling it, you know what I'm saying? Maybe that would increase the price for them a little bit. That is horrible.
I think they just wanted drugs or something. They had shit to do with that $300.
They were driving this car without the floor mats too.
I'll get new floor mats. Little WD-40, a little bit of
For what?
TV blaster
Oh,
in
that?
the door.
Yeah, we can do it even now.
Fuck
Or later.
Nah, I ain't worried about it.
I guess I'm just cleaning up the E36 today. Original wheel, but it's no good. That tire has run flat, but it was made. I'll show you when it was made and where's the date? 1989. Isn't that neat? It's pretty cool. This is the compartment. The battery's under this thing, and put these back on for the taillights. What else? There's some junk we gotta clean up. Bmw. But car's in great condition. This is for the battery, I'm assuming. Yep, positive shield must be used to avoid shorting by seat springs, which may cause damage, fire, explosion. Jack, I think that's how it's supposed to go. Hopefully. Just missing a clip on this guy. In the middle, this one has one. The other one doesn't. Alright, so here's your wheel and stuff. The only thing, see, I reinstalled these trim things.
Yeah.
This one has in the back, this one has a clip in the middle, this one doesn't. That's why it's flopping like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it'd be a good idea to take this out and undust this. Oh, look at that. She's good now. She's happy now. Probably take this guy out. There's a lot of junk. Ooh, it looks a lot better now. Reinstalled all these guys. Just gotta put the caps on. That's good. Film. Get familiar with GoPro.
The Bavaria.
Ah, BMW. Just gotta try to fix that hydraulic lifter. Other than that, she's good, man. She's running smooth. She's happy. Hopefully tomorrow we can go and change that wheel bearing and flex disc. So then she's gonna be a really happy one. She's gonna be a really happy Bavaria. So. I gotta fix this